They were showing pressure washing a chimney. Chimneys can be on a residential can be one of the hardest areas of the house to clean, because many times the chimneys can be obscured or obstructed by a roof or a wall. Plus they have at least 3 sides to clean, and mildew and lichen likes to grow up the sides, so you can spend most of your time just cleaning a chimney. So this is residential pressure washing, Daystar quality, pressure washing a chimney, vinyl siding up a chimney or fireplace chimney. You can find us on the websites godaystar.com and thedeckguy.com.